Welcome to the final part of this unpacking. I have 6 more packs to go. If I didn't miss anything, I haven't gotten a secret rare or an alternative art card so far. So they should both be in these 6 packs. Let's see what we get. Still missing things like Ancient Irismon and Magna Garurumon, Kaiser Greymon. Let's see what we get. Blue Hawaii Death, Outmon, Icemon Scatter, Dorugamon, Tortumon, Kendogarurumon, Tuskmon, Eosmon, Beowulfmon, Fire Drake Strike, and there is Ancient Cast. I really hate it when they do these renames. Like, why call her Ancient Casimon when Ancient Irismon is so much more fitting? Like, look at her rainbow hair. Is this some copyright bullshit, or do they just not get Greek mythology? Yeah. Anyway. Oh, damn. That's not even the secret rare. I think that's actually the alternative art version of Susannomon. Nice. So that means one more secret rare or alternative art card to go. I'm still hoping for alternative art Emperor Greymon, or at least the normal Lucemon Fall Down. Let's see, Korikakumon, Löwemon, Philmon, Gotsumon, Wendigomon, Hackmon, Schwarzleersatz, Bummamon, Bukamon, Greymon, Dead or Alive. And it would be super funny if Lucemon is like under this one. It's not. Blue Hawaii Death, Löwemon, Shellmon, Casimon, Dino Memory Boost, Wendigomon, Gigastorm, Mugen, Koromon, Taipanmon, Skull Knightmon, and Ancient Irismon. That's 3 more packs. Toy Agumon, Pulsemon, Wamon, Nemon, Gigasmon, Rockymon, Metal Kabuterimon, Kokomon, Reno Kabuterimon, Nidorgmon, Systemon Blanc Awakened. Oh no. Alternative art Flamemon. I'm trying to look for the not AA one. Yeah. Standard version, alternative art. I mean, the foil is nice, but I've never liked Flamemon's design. And like it's honestly a damn boring AA card. Like the standard version is much more interesting, in my opinion. So I guess that's it with the special cards for this unpacking, because we have only 2 packs left, and usually there are only 2 special ones. Whoop. Wamon, Bulkmon, Triceramon, Gumamon, Hakmon, Brave Metal, Kendogarumon, Beowulfmon, Dorimon, Rihimon, Strabimon, and Magnagarumon. I was just about to say I'm not sure if there's like super rares left, but I guess there was, because I usually don't count the super rares, so I don't know if we've reached the, I think it's 8 per display, 7 or 8. But I'm still not sure if this was the last one. I remember both Metal Greymon, Vergarumon, Ebonwumon, now Magnagarumon, I think Dorogoramon. I didn't even count while telling you this, so that's why I failed engineer school. But let's see if there's another one. We have Gigasmon, Pulsemon, Icemon, Boutmon, Shellmon, Pokémon. I think I have 3 or 4 of him, that's nice. Triceramon, Electric Rush, Pursurimon, Beetlemon, Chaos Dramon, and Strabimon. But like the alternative art Strabimon is similar to alternative art Flamemon, and I honestly don't get why they didn't make this the alternative art design. But yeah, I can't really complain about this unpacking, because the secret rare AA Susanomon is damn nice. And I'll see if I get the other cards I wanted from the next display. See you in the next video.